Hello friends, welcome to Easy Learning Economics. I am going to introduce the unemployment concept. In this lecture, we shall discuss that what is unemployment and what is the cost of unemployment, what is labor force, what is unemployment rate, who are said to become unemployed, who are discouraged worker, what is the cause of unemployment. This is our lecture plan that we have to discuss. What is unemployment? Unemployment can be defined as a situation when the economy fails to generate enough jobs for all those who are available, willing and able to work. So what is the true cost of unemployment? The lost output, together with the economical and psychological damage to unemployed workers and their families, represent the true cost of unemployment. What is labor force? Labor force consists of the adult population who have attained the age of 15 years above. They are either working or looking for work. So labor force includes the number of employed plus the number of the unemployed people. What is the unemployment rate? The unemployment rate measures the percentage of those who are unemployed. Unemployment rate is that the ratio of number of unemployed to labor force who are said to become unemployed. Unemployed are only those looking for work are considered unemployed. Only those peoples having no job but must have looked for once during preceding 4 weeks, they are counted as unemployed. And others like retired persons, full-time students, unable to work because of long-term illness or discouraged workers are not counted as unemployed. Who is said to become discouraged worker? Discouraged worker who has dropped out of the labor force because of the lack of success in finding the job. So they are not counted as unemployed. What are the major causes of unemployment? Major causes of unemployment are the poor education and training, mismatch of labor demand and labor supply, and the geographical immobility, the global recession or downturn in the economy, and slow economic growth, lack of interest for entrepreneurship, high population growth rate, high interest rate. These are the major causes of unemployment, and it is just an introduction about unemployment. In the next lecture we shall discuss that what are the types of unemployment. So see you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.